Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find archived mail in your Gmail. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to gmail.com and then log into your account. Alright, here we go. This is our mail. So here first let's archive some email so I can show you how you can recover that. So I'm just going to archive some of them. Alright, so here we have archived a number of emails. So what you can do to get it back is to click on more, and over here you can see all mail option. Click over here, and here you can see we have all the emails that we have archived. So here you can get all your old emails, and if you remember the subject of the email, you can just search in the search bar. There you go. That is how you can find your archived email in your Gmail. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.